What's up all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video I'm going to be making my client a new bed, and it's a 5x6 bed, and I'm making it from scratch. And unfortunately I didn't record it from the start where I did make these frames that I'm showing you on the screen, but this is how the frames looks, and I'm going to be starting making them. So I hope you will enjoy the video. Anyway guys, if this is your first time clicking on our video and this is the kind of content that you like, kindly consider subscribing to our channel. Hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. Also, after watching this video, you can visit our channel and see the different kinds of content that we do, and maybe you will learn something from us. And for the returning subscribers, we are very grateful. Thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. So here, as you can see on the screen, I'm just continuing making the bed, and I hope you'll enjoy the process. And for the ads, kindly don't skip the ads, just watch them because they kinda boost our channel, and I will be very grateful for everything. In this clip here that I'm showing you on the screen, I'm going to be showing you the materials and tools that I did use in this DIY today. That is, if you are interested in making something like this on your own, or you want to try. And in case you have any question, or you want to tell me something, just comment down below and I will get back to you. Continue watching the video, and I hope you have enjoyed it till this far. And if so, consider liking this video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment on it, and most of all, share with your friends and family. Thank you.